Hey foodies, Chill Brown Vegan here. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are staying happy, healthy, and safe. Today I'm trying something a little different. I'm doing a voiceover. Please let me know if you like it better this way. Do you prefer an intro and outro? Let me know your thoughts. I would love some feedback. Go off in the comments down below. But for today's video, we are making vegan French toast with 3 topping options because good things come in threes. It's easy, it's quick, it's delicious. So let's get into it. First, we are going to make our batter. We're going to start off with 2 ripe bananas, the spottier the better. Go ahead and break them up and add them into your blender. Next, you're going to add in 1.5 cups of full-fat coconut milk. Follow that up with 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or agave. Now add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then you're going to add in 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. If you're like me and you love cinnamon, feel free to add more. It'll just be like a giant version of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but just don't go overboard. This is not the cinnamon challenge. And last, 1 tablespoon of ground flax seed to thicken up our batter and act as the egg in our mixture. Now we are ready to blend. Now go ahead and get your bread. I'm using this artisanal bread from Aldi. Use whatever you like, but I say the thicker the better. Texas toast is probably your best bet, but you do just want it to be thick enough that it can soak up all of the batter without getting soggy and falling apart. You're just gonna dip your bread into your batter. Make sure that you get both sides in the batter. Shake off any of the excess liquid, rinse and repeat. Once you're done, you're just gonna throw it in the pan. I'm cooking it in a little bit of coconut oil. You can use any kind of oil you like or vegan butter. Just going to fry it on both sides until it gets nice and golden brown. And just like that, you've got French toast. Didn't I tell you this was easy? And there was no need for any animal products or byproducts in this recipe. And most importantly, you probably have most of these ingredients in your home already. This was able to give me about 18 slices of the French toast, which was 1.5 loaves of that artisanal bread. But if you're not making a large batch for a large amount of people, I definitely recommend cutting this in half. So we've made our French toast, now it's time to top it. I'm gonna show you 3 ways I like to top my French toast. To make the chocolate sauce, you need 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. You're just gonna whisk it up until it becomes nice and smooth. You don't really want to have any pockets of chocolate. Well, maybe you do, but you probably don't. Then you wanna taste it. If it's not sweet enough, add more maple syrup. If you want it more chocolatey, add more cocoa powder, but that will change up the thickness. Now it's time to top our French toast. Here I am using some tahini, but honestly, you can use any kind of nut butter that you like. Peanut butter, almond butter, and now I'm adding on the chocolate syrup that I made. As you can see, it's kind of thick. I probably could have used a little more maple syrup, but the taste was just good, so I just left it like that. And then I chopped up 1 ripe banana and just put it on top and arranged it nicely. Here I am sprinkling on some chia seeds and some walnuts just for some extra crunch and protein. And of course, you want to make it Instagrammable. And just like that, you're done. Chocolate banana French toast. For this next variation, I'm using some baked cinnamon apples. I will have the recipe down below in the description, but my mother made these and they're so delicious. I don't know that they're that healthy, but they're good, and that is what we're going for. So once again, grab your French toast and arrange your apples very nicely, however you like. And I love cinnamon, so I'm adding some more. Once again, I'm going in with the chia seeds and the walnuts for the protein and the crunch. And lastly, we are finishing it off with maple syrup. And we have our second variation, cinnamon apple French toast. And for the third and final variation, grab your French toast, put on yogurt to taste. Check out my last video, how I made the parfaits. I have that link down below to see how I made the yogurt. For this one, I'm adding chia seeds and hemp seeds. You thought I was gonna add walnuts, didn't you? Nope. We are switching it up. And then you're gonna add on berries or whatever kind of fruit of your choice. I'm adding some blackberries because that is what I had at the time. And just arrange it in a nice way. And then you are done. Now you know how to make vegan French toast and 3 ways to top it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.